Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Atomic Wallet on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. First thing to do is to tap open your Atomic Wallet app from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app yet, go to your Play Store and get it downloaded first. Once you have it, you can give it a tap to open. You'll end up in the page where it will ask you for your password. In order to log into your account, you must remember your password and enter it right here into the text box. Make sure to type in your password correct, and once you are done, tap the login button. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the restore button at the top right hand corner and enter your recovery phrases to get access to your account. Once you are done typing in your password, tap login at the bottom and you'll be able to get access to your Atomic Wallet app right away with a few simple steps. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.